In this series, we're talking about moon gardens, all white gardens that light up in the moon. So first, we're going to have to decide how to design a moon garden, and it's really quite simple. I try to decide if I have sun or shade where I'm going to place it. You have to decide if you're going to have the whole garden be a moon garden or just one section. So when I'm designing, I like to look online or in magazines and books and kind of search and think, what kind of flowers are really pretty that I can put in my garden that are white? You can go to your local garden center and ask and find out what you can purchase. As I'm traveling around yard sales or garden shows and I see any kind of art the sun or might fit my theme of a moon garden, I grab it and then I bring it home to place in my garden. So a lot of times it takes a little bit of time before you actually get going. And just by sitting and laying it out and starting with trees first, you always want at least one tree up to 3 trees as your bases in your garden, and select all white flowering trees like lilacs or cherry blossoms or any other light foliage type tree like a blue spruce, anything that will really glitter in the moonlight. And next you pick your shrubs, and then following that you pick some grasses and then fill in with bulbs, perennials, and annuals. And before long you'll find out you have your own moon garden. Next we'll talk about how to plant a moon garden.